Hello and welcome to this video on directory traversal bug hunting. In this video, we will explore what directory traversal is, how it works, and why it can lead to security vulnerabilities. We will also demonstrate how to find and report directory traversal vulnerabilities, so you can help protect websites from attacks. What is directory traversal? Directory traversal is an attack that allows an attacker to access files and directories that are outside of the web root directory. This can be achieved by exploiting vulnerabilities in web applications that do not properly validate user input. How directory traversal can lead to security vulnerabilities. Directory traversal can lead to security vulnerabilities if an attacker gains access to sensitive files or directories that contain confidential information. For example, an attacker could gain access to password files, configuration files, or other sensitive information that could be used to compromise the website or the server. How to find and report directory traversal vulnerabilities. To find and report directory traversal vulnerabilities, we will demonstrate how to use a web proxy tool to intercept and analyze web requests and responses. We will also show you how to use various online tools to test for common directory traversal vulnerabilities, such as the ability to access files outside of the web root directory. Finally, we will discuss how to report any vulnerabilities you find to website owners or security researchers. In conclusion, directory traversal is a serious security issue that can be exploited by attackers to gain access to sensitive information. It's important to find and report directory traversal vulnerabilities to protect websites and their users from attacks. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into directory traversal bug hunting, and that you can use this knowledge to help make the internet a safer place for everyone.